And then it's just
Siyempre, tuloy nila po yan. Kuya, buntis ka ba?
it's got return.
3 months. Oh. Mas malaki pa yung pagpusog ka ko eh.
Oh, kailangan mo ganyan.
Beer. Yun yung gata.
Nakataba pa rin sa nakakabit ng beer.
I guess, kasi si liver yun.
Oh, liver? Tumalaki liver?
Hindi, parang gano'n.
Hindi hindi mo liver. Taba yan o, taba o.
Hindi gano'n nga yun, hindi mga nag-exercise. Ayun lang.
Sa liver, tumalaki liver to. Hindi.
Ano yung baga mga naskabi na lang. So yung mga pamilya mo, ano yan?
Buti na yan eh. Mamo ka.
Ikaw po ka sa speaker.
Comment to back, kaya snake ha?
Ganun ba naman?
Kaya gusto mo ng noodles na yan?
Gala-gala ka. Paano?
Sarap daw noodles sa malamig. Mamaya na nga ito.
Gaya-gaya ka. Ay, kaya.
Nanamod ko ito. Prepare me ha. Prepare me an awesome well.
Oh no!
Health and beauty. Forget it! We've got a long way to go before we get home and everyone's there waiting for us!
You know, for once I agree with you. We really ought to be getting back. For all we know, the village could be in trouble.
Oh, loosen up. One day's not gonna make that much difference. I hear it's popular with women. What's up? Where are you going?
Oh, I got this kink in my, well, everyone deserves a break once in a while.
That's not what you were saying just a second ago! So, it's settled. Come on, let's go.
It's her, all right. No doubt about it. I don't believe it. We finally found her.
Kidnap! Naruto's Hot Spring Adventure! Welcome, good people! And pig! Welcome! Cannonball!
I can't say I'm having much fun so far. Just me and the knucklehead. When's the next baby gonna start?
Since we've got time to kill before dinner, I think I'll hit the pachinko machines. Really? You sure you don't want to try out the hot springs? Please, with those two buffoons involved? Forget it, let's go. That's enough for me. You getting out?
Not quite yet. I'm gonna soak a little longer. I'm ready. Anytime now. Welcome, ladies!
Gotta admit, that felt great! Huh? I've been robbed! Oh no, the necklace I won from Grandma Tsunami is gone! No, wait! Maybe I put it somewhere else! Maybe! If you want your necklace back, pay us the money you owe. The 𝒸𝓂𝓒 family will be waiting at the 3 seaters on the hill outside of town. What money? Who the heck do I owe money to?
Well, they're females, I suppose. But, the only problem is they're the wrong species! This, isn't quite what I had in mind.
Hey! 𝒸𝓂𝓒 family! I'm here! Are you in hiding or what? Come on out already!
What do you want, kid?
That's just what I was about to ask you! I don't owe you guys any money. I've never seen you before in my life! So give me back my necklace right now!
Your necklace? What do you mean? Wait, we couldn't have got it wrong, could we?
That's it! That's my necklace!
Wait a second!
𝒻𝓊𝓉𝓊𝓇𝑒 jutsu!
Minsan gawa mo ko.
Wait a minute.
Wanted humans, and I've got humans. If only. It wasn't a bunch of fat guys!
Who do you call it, fat Grandpa?
Are there any human men in this town?
Huh. So it's really Grandma Tsunade who owes you the money.
Right. She's called the legendary sucker. She always loses, and she lost at our village, too. She was broke, so we took her IOU.
Right here. This is what she owes us.
Ah! Whoa, that's a lot of zeros!
My name is Senta, and this here is Bunzo. More than 3 years ago, the head of our family sent us out to collect the debt.
We set out from Akagi Mountain knowing we couldn't come back without the money. But the trail was cold. We searched everywhere.
We'd hear rumors that she was here or there, always somewhere else.
She has a reputation for being hard to find when you want to find her. And it's true.
At last, we got some solid information. She'd been seen in the area, headed toward this village. So we staked out a spot on the road outside of town.
I get it. And that's when we came along with Grandma Tsunade. That still doesn't explain why you raided my room and tore it apart.
She may be an easy mark, but we've heard she's a tough customer. So we figured we couldn't just show up and ask her nicely. We'd never get our money back that way.
No, you're probably right.
Everybody tells us that the necklace is as precious to her as her life. We thought she might pay to get it back.
Brilliant! But you found the necklace in my room, remember?
We never thought... It didn't occur to us that the necklace was no longer hers.
Maybe... You know her so well, maybe you could ask her to kindly give us our money?
Huh? It's not like I know her that well.
Please, if we don't get that money back, we can never return to our village.
Our wives and children are all alone. Please, young friend, won't you help us?
Well, I guess that's that. Let's go.
I can't get a break. Damn, I'm completely cleaned out.
Now that we're finished having fun in here, let's go try out the hot spring.
Shizune, my suitcase is at the front desk. Get it.
Aye! But that suitcase has got everything you own in it. You can't really mean you want me to bring it here.
You know I never walk away in the middle of a losing streak. So quit lecturing me and go get it now!
Dad, gusto mo?
Is it what it is?
What the? What are you doing here?
At last I've got women and plenty of them. But still... I hope for women who still have their own teeth, you know.
Is this the one? Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, you're with Lady Tsunade, aren't you?
Yes?
This letter arrived for her just a few minutes ago.
A letter? From whom?
Prinsesa sa akin.
Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade! I've got trouble!
I mean, sa ating ko.
Lady
Yan, sa
Tsunade!
akin. Talaga?
She's not here!
Thank you, Princess, for cooking. Thank you, Princess, for cooking.
Put that nose to work! Which way did she go?
Ha ha ha.
What do you mean, no? What's wrong? Of course, the smell of sulfur from the hot springs covers up everything. Then I guess we'll just have to do it the hard way. Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade! Where are you? Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade! Lady Tsunade, where are you?
Such a thing.
It's no use. What am I gonna do?
We have Naruto Uzumaki. If you want him back unharmed, Bring the money you owe the 𝒸𝓂𝓒 family to the 3 cedars on the hill outside of town.
What now? We have to help Naruto. On top of that, if word gets out about Lady Tsunade's gambling debts, maybe the village won't make her 5th Hokage after all. It could ruin everything. All right. Since we have no choice, we'll have to do it on our own. What do you say, Tauntaun?
The best one. Apa, princess? Princess, sarap.
You really think this is gonna work?
Of course it will, don't worry.
Hey, she's coming.
Am I glad to see you?
Stop right there! You know who we are, right? Am I right?
You're a couple of errand boys for the 𝒸𝓂𝓒.
Let's keep this simple. You're gonna hand over every single penny that you owe us.
Yeah, or else we'll, take care of your little friend here.
Hurry, give them what they want.
Do what you gotta do. I couldn't care less what happens to the kid.
What did she say?
Okay, but then what about our money?
Things just go from bad to worse.
I know it's mixed baby, but this is too damn mixed!
I just need to be patient, that's all.
Ow, my foot!
So what part of it don't you understand? It doesn't matter to me what you do to him.
Why, you nasty old witch!
Actually,
Wait, siya na.
now that I think about it, when I become Hokage, I'll need people like him to serve me. So I guess I'll save him after all.
I knew he wouldn't let me down.
This is all I've got at the moment, but it'll have to do. Go on, take it.
You won't mind if I just check it out, will ya?
I know I'm a little short, but it should at least cover the interest on the loan.
What?
It was all fake? You're not gonna pay them what you owe?
Shut up, it's none of your business.
But they can't go home until you pay them back. What happens to them?
What happens? What do you mean?
I've tried being sneaky, now it's time to use force!
Naruto shadow clones. So Naruto's on the side of the 𝒸𝓒𝓒 family. This isn't going to be as easy as I hoped.
It's not like I thought she'd just quietly hand the money over, but to be that mean about it.
What do we do now?
She's got a huge suitcase she carries around with her. My guess is that's where she keeps her money. If we could just get our hands on that suitcase somehow. Look at her, calmly sitting there drinking and relaxing while I'm being held hostage.
There's the suitcase. But how do we get it?
Don't worry, I've already thought of that.
Oh, Lady Tsunade, there you are. Hi.
Ganyan ko daw.
What's that? Is that your suitcase? Why, yes it is. I better take it to the front desk to make sure it's safe. Well, have fun.
Fake pala.
Told you I could get it!
Well done!
Ay, hindi.
Why, you all... That was a dirty trick! That does it! You're no Hokage! You've no right to call yourself Hokage when you won't even pay back the debts you owe! Don't you get it? These guys can't go